Hello everyone, today I'm going to explain to you the circuit works and the programming of the Danfoss VFD using the LCP simulator. So let's start with the circuit works. So in the circuit works, we have a circuit breaker, we also have the VFD, then the potentiometer, the start push button, the stop push button, and the AC motor. So we also have here the plate or the name plate that I choose. So let's begin with the start push button. So in the start push button, we have two lines. So the first line is connected to 12, which is the 12, which is to 12 volt, and for the another line is connected to 18, which is the digital input, and the 12 is the 24 volts, and the stop push button is connected to a number 27, to the line 27, which is the digital input, and for the another line is also connected to 24 volts, which is the 12, which is the number 12. So the use of a stop and start push button is simply when you push the start button, so your circuit will start, and when you stop your push button, your circuit will stop. So that's it. So in potentiometer, so we have 3 pins in potentiometer. So remember that the pin is for the one pin is for the ground, the second pin is for volt, and the last pin is for your output. So in this case, we use the line 55 for your volt, for our volt, and the line 53 for our analog input, and for the line 42 or line 50 is for the common. So the use of a potentiometer here is the one to adjust the speed of our AC motor. So let's proceed to VLT automation motors. So the use of LT automation motor is designed for a variable speed control for all asynchronous motors. And in circuit breaker, it is used for safety measures. So we have a line 1, line 2, and line 3, which is connected to our VLT automation drive. And in AC motor, we also have a U line, V, and W lines. So the use of a AC motor here in our circuit is the one to process all the program that you input to your VLT automation drive. And also have a nameplate. So the nameplate that I choose is we have a 7.5 horsepower, which is equivalent to 5.5 kilowatts. We also have a 208 volts, and maximum is 460 volts. We also have the 21 ampere, and RPM or the revolution per minute is we have 1770. And now we have the LCP simulator. So in this in the first step, we're going to click the off button, and after that we'll go to quick menus, and quick menus we'll click the quick stop. So in quick stop, we will set up the language, but since the language is already set in English, so there's nothing to change at all. So let's proceed to motor powers. Motor power. So the motor power is, we're going to change this into 5.5 kilowatts since our horsepower is 7.5. So let's change it into 5.5 kilowatts. After that, we'll proceed to motor voltage, and we'll also change it into 460. That's good. Then the motor frequency. So our motor frequency is 60 hertz. So we're going to change it into 60 hertz. And our motor current is we have 9.4, which is the 9.4. Where is it? We have the, so our motor current is, we were going to multiply the motor's full load current and the service factor. So our motor full load current is 9.4 ampere times to the 1.15, which is the service factor, so it is equivalent to 10.81 ampere. So 10.81 ampere. Then press OK. Then we're going to change the motor nominal speed into 1770 rpm. So 1770 rpm. So that's it. Then so the ramp up time is, it is conventional, so we're going to change it into 15 seconds. And also in ramp 1 ramp down time, we're also going to change it into 15 seconds. The motor speed low, it's okay. And the motor speed high limit, we're going to change it into 1770 rpm. And that's it for the quick setup. Now let's click the status and go to main menus. And in main menus, we will go to, we'll press down and go to digital input. So in digital input, let's click the second one, and let's find this, the terminal 18 digital input. So the terminal 18 is our latch start, so we will click the number 9. That's it. And let's proceed to terminal 27. So the terminal 27, so we will set up it into stop inverse, which is number 6. That's it. Then after we set up the digital input, let's go back and find again the analog. So in analog, we're going to find the 53. So in 53, we're going to change the reference feedback, the high reference feedback, into 1770 also. This is just a guide for me. In this guide, it used this 1750, but for me, since I use this template, so I'm going to use the 1770. So press OK, and after that, let's go back and find the, go back to main menus and go to the reference ramp. So in reference ramp, let's go to the reference limit and also change the maximum reference into 1770. Then go back again. Then let's find the special function. So in special function, let's go to the reset function, and in the reset function, let's find the operation mode. So since we are using a LCP simulator, so we're going to change it into initialization. That's it. And after that, let's go back to the status, then auto on. So as you can see, our auto remote is ramping up. So it means that it depends on how will you or it depends on what RMP or what RPM or revolution per minute that you were going to set up in your remote, and it takes within 15 seconds. And I think that's all, and thank you.